SOE sling bag. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Survival. So if you could hear it in my voice, I'm sorry. I'm just getting over some sickness and it's a little bit rough. But this is SOE sling bag. It does have one shoulder strap, and I'm going to drop the camera below so you guys can take a better look at this. But before I do, what I need you guys to do is subscribe. There's about 90% of you that watch my channel on the regular basis, but you're not subscribed. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, those little parentheses around the bell. Make sure you click that so you get all my updates. Give me the thumbs up. It really helps. What that does is it tells YouTube that you really appreciate my channel and what I'm doing for you. You can also become a Patreon member. Only cost you $1 a month, where you could be watching videos like this before anybody else. And you can check out my other channels, Three River Blades or Three River Kydex, if you guys are interested in that. Just click on the link down below and then we'll get into this. All right guys, before we get started, I want you guys to know that I have no affiliation with SOE whatsoever. I think they make great product. These bags do come in different colors. I've been using this one for a while as my EDC bag, and I'm going to get into it a little bit as far as how well it does for me as an EDC bag. The sling pack is not very large. It is a very slim line. You can use it to put anything in it. So if you want medical, you want firearms, that kind of thing, but it's not very large. It's about the same size as a camelback, but it does have some girth to it. So if that kind of helps you out, it's about the size of a camelback. It does come with a waist strap, although it's quick on and easy off. So it will come with one shoulder strap that's very padded, and it does have this really nice mesh in here that keeps your body cool so you're not sweating to death. This is removable. So this is the clip that you would use for your waist strap, if you will. And you can move it up and down depending on how you wear it. You just leave it on there as well. This also comes with a buckle, so if you want to remove this, you can, or if you want to replace it, you can. You can also move it from side to side. So if you wanted to use it from right shoulder, you could put it on this shoulder right here, or you could put it on this shoulder right here. All right, so I wear it slung across my back on my right side, so that's the way I set it up over here. Now on this side, I just have a regular glass breaker and a quick, easy on and off seatbelt cutter. That's for an emergency. That's why it's in bright yellow, and I just keep it there. If you wanted to use the option for the waist strap, it's very simple. All you would do is clip this on here like that, and then clip this on here. All right, so as you can see here, you would throw this over your right shoulder, and then you could cinch this down to make it a little bit tighter. What that does is it keeps the bag from swaying back and forth. That's why this extra strap is here. It will come with it. Front of it has this really nice loop right here, so if you had some hook motivation patches, you can put them up there. YKK zippers with the pull tab, really nice, comfortable. It does have an inner pouch where it is Velcro lined, so if you wanted to put something else in here, you could put one of those strips that they sell on the website, such as I don't know, Glock 19 strip pouches or M4 strip pouches. It'll fit right in here real nicely, and then you could zipper it up. You could put medical in there, that kind of thing. Now the way this works is it is complete clamshell. All right, so in here I will say that none of the pouches come with it. It just comes with the Velcro backing, but you can get different pouches. These are mesh pouches, again, sold on SOE's website. Everything in here is personal use to me. Your mileage may vary. You decide what you want to put in here. Again, if you want to use M4 or M9 Velcro magazines or shotgun magazine cards, you can do all that stuff. All right, you just rip these out. All right, it's all Velcroed, makes it nice and easy and convenient. All right, on the side here, you can see that there's two loops. These are elastic loops on each side, one on this side and one on this side. All right, so if you want to attach something like, I don't know, maybe road flares, or you want to tie this thing up so it doesn't flop down, you can do that as well. Also, they have hideaway pockets on both sides. So in this hideaway pocket, I just have my platypus. This is a 1 liter. It's just if I want to add some extra water, I could just tuck it in here, no problem. And then on this side, again, those are just my 3 pouches. And then on this side, again, you have another hideaway pouch if you want. So this is what it would look like if you ordered it online. It does not come with those pouches, but let's get into those pouches in a second. All right, guys, some things that I already keep on the outside, some of the things that I keep on the outside pocket, you already see this is my little glass breaker, so we have that. We also have my K-Bar TDI knife. All right, so I use this for a lot of different applications. It does have the holster in it. All right, I could slip that inside the pocket or inside one of these mesh pockets. I also have a very lightweight bandana, or you can also use it for a face shield if you like. It does look like a little bit of Old Glory right there. So just some simple stuff. In this main pouch, all right, Aleve or head medicine, because I'm always getting constant headaches. This is my battery bank. Battery bank by Anker. All right, that's gonna give me all the power of the juice to my electronics. I also have this from SOE. This is my cigar case. My cigar case from SOE. This is a multicam. I highly recommend this. Has some cigars in there. All right, has a few different pouches, so you could put your wire cutter. You could put your cigar cutter and lighter and all that kind of stuff. So I highly recommend this. I'm testing this out right now. I will tell you that it's a great product. These are available on the website, so I do recommend that you get one. Also, I have my green squad book. All right, this is where I keep all my notes, all the information, things I want to write down, etc., that kind of thing. So I have that here, also inside this pouch. And then, of course, I have my Three River Blade survival tin. I don't go anywhere without a survival tin. It's just easy to throw it in the pack. I don't have to worry about it. It has everything from water purification to navigation equipment, to mirror signaling, that kind of thing. It also has another water bladder in there in case I need it. Those you can get on the website itself. There's nothing else in this pouch. Over here, another tear-off pouch. What I keep in here is sort of like my personal protection stuff. All right, so I do have a headlamp from True Night. This thing works excellent. It's super bright. I really do like this. I think I did a review on this once before. This happens to be the red one. Really nice lumen, so it does work very well. Silcock key for water, because I do live in an urban environment. I think it's important to have that. One spare magazine. I think this is the 18, 19, 20. I think this is the 20 rounder from Glock. All right, so a little extra ammunition, never hurt nobody. This is my multi-tool. This multi-tool happens to be the Black Wave. All right, really good multi-tool. I'm a big fan of Leatherman. I highly recommend that if you're going to get a multi-tool, get a good one. Spare set of handcuffs, because you never know if things go really south. You might have to subdue somebody. And some orange duct tape. All right, now we're going to move over to my electronics bag. Inside here, I have my Apple iPhone charger. I think this is for the newer ones. I think it's USB-C. I also have a multi-cord. So this is the multi-cord. It has USB-C, the micro, and the Apple charger. Plus, it also has the plug-in. This is for my Olight. I used to have an Olight flashlight in here, but this is really convenient. It is the Olight keychain tab. So if you needed to plug in your Olight, you just take this piece off and it's USB-C chargeable. Also works with this. So that's just an added keychain feature that I like to keep with me at all times. I also have all my documents. So this is my my memory sticks, or my USB sticks. All right, plenty of information on there. Always keep a copy. I also have another battery bank. This one's from Anker. This one's a little bit more robust than the smaller one. It has a little bit more power, and it's nice to have 2 batteries. Earbuds. These are just the regular old Apple earbuds. I don't see any reason to get rid of them or to go to wireless, because that's more shit I gotta charge up, so I just leave that in there. And then I also have a solar power. This is called the Zoll. What this does, it'll help charge up my batteries and anything I need by using the power of the sun. And lastly, I have just a car charger. All right, it is a dual port, 2.0 for iPad and 1.0 for iPhone. All right, works pretty well. All right, guys, so what is my thoughts about this? I like it, but I like it because I like it as a seasonal pack. I do love the fact that they come in many different colors. So because this is M81 God's Camo, I absolutely needed to have it because it was in Woodland. Anything he makes in Woodland or Multicam or Marpat, I'm probably gonna buy. I'm not a big fan of all the black multicams, but he has them, Typhon, Alpine, Arid. All of those colors would be available. Now, the way SOE works is once they make a whole batch of these and they sell out, they're not gonna make them all the time. So they're not always gonna be in stock. You can find a Sling pack probably on a secondary market such as eBay, and I'm sure there's a couple sites like Facebook and Marketplace and that kind of thing that you can find one of these. I like it because it's small, it's compact. For the summertime, this works great. Here's where it kind of lacks. It's not big enough for a winter EDC. Most of the time in winter, you're going to be carrying another maybe set of hats, gloves, that kind of thing. More clothing is also involved. Also, I did not have enough space to pack my lunch. To each his own. You know, that's just the way I carry my EDC. So I did use this in the forest. It helped out a lot. I put in like a water bladder and some of my tools, and it worked out really well for just that application. Just walking around in the forest in a summer environment, it was perfect. I had my water in there, I had my first aid kit in there, and just a couple tools, odds and ends, and I wasn't using it as an EDC pack, and it worked great. So again, your application may vary, but I really think that if you are interested in a Sling pack, specifically designed and close to a size of a Camelback, you really can't go wrong with this. SOE makes great products. All the zippers are outstanding. YKK zippers, I mean, this thing is kind of bomb proof, especially like the availability. I especially like the options that you can customize the inside based on your needs. So that really works out very well with all the Velcro. All right, guys, so what I need you to do is to like, subscribe, share, add some comments down below if you have one of these Sling packs. Please let me know what you guys put in it. And as always, please stay safe.